trace of an agricultural village. We have rice fields in the front, and the house originally had a reservoir in the back, and the village was centered around a walled compound. So we have the walled compound, so this is the gatehouse. There's an inner courtyard, which was a workspace. This is where you did threshing, drying, and if the village came under attack, that's where everyone would run. So they would run inside of the compound, and then there was the main house, and in the back we have a residential garden. We also have a small private garden in the front. So this is about a 2-acre compound. We have orchards, and this will be the beginning, the center of a new cultural village that we're creating at the Huntington. On the other side, we have the bonsai compound. I think who's been to the bonsai nursery? So probably half of you, have gone to. So there's a bonsai nursery there. We'd like to open up the bonsai nursery